Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden projects, new designs, new ideas, stylish designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful projects you can see in this my video. So friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas with wooden work. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Every design is different one another. Very useful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy. If you want to buy these very beautiful designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful projects online easily in very reasonable price in these websites. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wooden work, stylish design, stylish ideas, stylish projects, beautiful wooden projects you can see in this my video. Latest uploading ideas you can see. Mind-blowing designs and ideas, top 50 designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden work, wooden projects? Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Every design is different, every design is beautiful. Stylish light and dark colors uses with wooden. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.